All right, here we have the box. Shouts out to FedEx. Okay, all right. Opens up like a book. Here's the box. Carrying case. Very nice, as always. Upgrade from the older one. Beautiful. I love the Velcro strap here to make sure this thing doesn't move around. Look at the blue there. It's like really blue, like really, really blue. Heli Direct is blue as well. So, you know, team colors. Go Heli Direct. Yeah. All the accessories come in a nice box here. Well, they have upgraded the strap. Feels nicer than the old one. You get a USB-C to a USB, and you get some, I guess this is for when you remove switches and you want to put the caps in there to seal it up. You get some extra springs and an Allen wrench. Oh. Okay, these are, I guess, the modular switches where you can switch stuff around and seal up that side of the transmitter. I'm just guessing because this is my first time opening this up, but looks like it would be for the back sides there for the switches. Oh, this is a nice touch. I will say it is a way better fit than the last transmitter. There's plenty of room here to put your fingers through. Plenty of room. And these AGO2s feel really good. Love the blue stitching. These handles here on the side, your fingers going here nice and snug. Feels very relaxed, very well balanced. Let's check out this foldable. Oh, that's nice. And you got your little stand here too. That's it. Headphones, DSC jack. And you can move this around. That's cool. That is crazy. And fold it down to go into storage. And if you want to do that, fold down. It does not feel like a cheap radio. It just does not. Blue is beautiful. Looks good. There we go. There's a battery in there. Nice scroll wheel. We're going to compare the sizes between this one and the old TX. All right, here's the new TX16 and here's the old. But actually, when I hold this one and hold this one is a little bit wider. So it has more of an aggressive stance on it as far as where the sticks are placed. AGO1s, AGO2s, a little bit more smoother, I guess. You actually cannot put the AGO1s here in this radio. I mean, you technically can, but the actual adapter to plug into the back of the radio is different. So as of right now this might change a little bit later down the line, but as of right now, you cannot take AGO1s and put them in here in the AGO2 slots because the end is not the same. See, it's a little bit slimmer. So back to back, front to front, they're about the same. But if you see these lines here in the back, it really makes a difference of how the radio sits in your hands. It just feels more expensive, but it's less expensive, which is insane. Here's the things that have been upgraded with this new radio, with the new TX. On this one, you get the MCU power chip. It's high performance. It's powered by the STM32H7 chip for maximum processing power. Yeah, they say it's like really, really, really fast, like way faster than the original. You get a touchscreen display. Obviously, it's bigger, as you can see. You get internal RF mode, dual band Gemini X 2.4 N sub G, powerful cooling system, high output fans, and an aluminum heat sink, keeping the radio super cool on those hottest of days out in summertime. The speakers on this radio, unmatched. You get a foldable antenna. You get a built-in microphone. You get an automatic backlight adjustment. Makes your screen work easier and easier to read for indoors. Built-in gyro, trigger switches, pan tilt cameras, and telemetry call-out simply by tilting your radio. It's an integrated 4GB onboard flash memory and external micro SD card support, just like the old one, but a little bit better. Now, this is a game changer because it's removable switch panels. Customize your setup with modular setups here, where you can take this off and add on the other switches if you want, or take them off. Overall impressed. For the price point, insane.
Welcome to Edge TX. Bank 1.
All right, so there you have it. Here's the new...
minutes.
Beautiful. So there you have it. It's the new TX16S MK3 Max coming to Heli Direct soon.